media. Yes, man.
Sometimes before I make these videos, I just gaze off into space. I have no idea what I'm looking for, you know. Good parenting is an important part of any child's growth. And in this day and age, you can't have your child being one-sided. They have to be well-rounded. Well-rounded. And while you will teach them not to pick fights, you must also teach them when to defend themselves and when to be cowards. Especially in the case of cyberbullying. Now for me, not you, for me. If the Lord grants me a child or children, I am teaching my child, 1, don't cyberbully nobody. 2, if you are being cyberbullied, bully them back. Nobody on the internet no better than you. If them want to say them are the Joker, you tell them say you're Batman. If them say them are Superman, you tell them say you're Kryptonite. If them say them are fire, you tell them say you're water. Water out fire. On the internet, nobody no better than you. If them a keyboard gangster, you're keyboard gangster too.
Daddy, them a cyberbully me.
My son, I knew this day would come. I knew this day would come. What am I saying?
He said my head big.
Hey, I true that's still in the head big enough. I know my side I get it from your mother's side. For your mother. Alright. Anyways, when you say head big, alright, type this. No, type this. Like your mama put. What? Look, everybody not cut from the same cloth, and I understand that. But you see, because me cut from the ras cloth, the loose thread of cyberbullying shall get cut, or me I go hem it into the fabric. And I am teaching my child that as soon as you turn off your computer, cyberbullies, them not exist. And if my children happen to find themselves being insulted by bullies over the internet, and are not clever enough to clap back with an insult, there is this great metaphor that I will be equipping them with. And it goes, like your mama. And what like your mama does is, it ricochets the insult that was dealt onto you back onto the insulter's mama or mother, making it twice as hurtful. Don't frown upon my ways for making sure that my child is able to deal with cyberbullies. My way might not necessarily be your way. Go find your own way. Use my way, if you please. It is either one of my ways, or I have to pull a Liam Neeson. So you want to cyberbully my picnic? I will find you and I will kill you. Look, parents, educate your children how to deal with cyberbullying accordingly. And if your child is the one doing the cyberbullying, let them know that they are going to hell. This is Kevin Too Crazy. Hit the like button, hit the share button. I don't know. See you tomorrow for a new video. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it. See? Bumbo clock this. Yo, shut the ass and go on the yard.